We're rolling? Okay, we're rolling. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, I present to you Rookie!
Hey!
All the way from Calgary, Alberta, out here to see me. This is fantastic. We're going to go out and do a little bit of runs with the 118s. We're going to have a little bit of fun with those. He showed up, what do you got, 2 o'clock-ish? Somewhere around there?
Just after 2, yeah.
Hung out with the family by the water. We went in the water. He had a swim. Molly had a swim. We had a few beers. He got to meet my mom and my Uncle Dennis. We had a good time. And he's been bugging me to do some RCing. He did some FPVing. His new unit is fantastic. I love it. I might have to get into it myself. Just, I don't have good DVR goggles, so I don't like FPVing because I can't record it. So doing it by myself and trying to explain it to other people, it's just weird. Because you can't show them. But I'll get there one day. But for now, we're going to take these guys out. Rookie's going to be driving the Chevy. I'll be in the FJ. And we're just going to skirt the edge. So we're just going to go out by my tent and a picnic table, fire pit, there's all kinds of things out there. The boat, whatnot. We're just going to go by the water's edge and we'll come back around and we'll see what we can get you. And we got the noisy vehicles out. These are the ones with the noisy ESCs. So if you find we start talking for no reason or doing silly stuff, and I'll try and do my best to keep the focus on that beautiful Chevy.
It is the best truck.
It is
Chevy.
So nice looking.
And it's surprisingly capable.
Yeah,
It can go where it does.
that rear skid plate that I added on really helps.
Hey.
Yes, if you guys want to play music while this is going, I understand. But if you do that, you won't hear the commentary.
Oh, that's deep.
That's fine.
It's not fun.
I think we're doing great here. Hold on.
Oh.
I'm not giving up quite yet. Okay, now. Oh shit!
Oh, okay, that's okay. Oh, maybe you're okay. Oh, I don't like that.
Now who's okay?
I am not.
What the hell happened?
Stop that. That's one I was going for. I don't know what happened. Too much grass.
I want to go like a vehicle width into the water.
Oh.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh.
It's still going. It's still going. It's still good. It's still good.
It's not bad. It's
No,
not good.
it's.
Oh, no bueno. No bueno. Oh. Oh, you're floating, Ed. Oh, that ain't good.
No.
You ain't waterproof. Hold on.
Yeah, it's angry. It's angry.
The 4-ways are on. Oh. Still going?
We'll go back into the water here and see how it goes.
Do it again, because it didn't get wrecked the first time. I don't know.
Exactly. Yeah, baby.
Come on, that Chevy's so smooth.
Yeah, it is. It's still working.
It's still going fine, actually. I'm surprised. They don't look very waterproof.
No, not at all.
Conformal coating would help that.
From what I've seen from other people, though, they tend to still function.
Our buddy, Mr. Medic.
Yep, he has drowned his K10.
He is still our buddy. Keep in touch a little.
Such a good looking truck.
I'm just following.
I didn't pay for any of them.
That is true. And to be fair, they made you some money.
Yep. Might make me more yet.
God damn. They're doing okay in the water. Kind of shocked. A little impressed.
They're good little trucks, man. FMS makes good stuff.
FMS makes some nice stuff. They make awesome airplanes and make cool trucks.
Okay, we're back now, and Molly didn't know we were gone. Sorry, Molly. We're back, though. Just a little trail run. You're happy? You a good girl? Doggy dog. Oh, you a big baby. Oh, talk. Talk. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Good to see you all.